Hi everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this video of Logging Aid, I will be showing you how to fix Wi-Fi not showing up on Windows 10. So there are a few ways how you can solve this issue of Wi-Fi not showing up on Windows 10. So the few things that you can do is turn airplane mode on and off. For that you go to the right side of your piece over here, click on the Wi-Fi, and there you click on airplane mode. Click that. It will turn off the Wi-Fi and everything, and then again click on that. It will disable the airplane mode, making you connect with the internet connection of yours. You can see the connection has been done. Likewise, you can check your network connection on another device, not in your laptop, but you can try it on your mobile device, whether you can connect through your mobile device or not. This way you will be able to find what's the issue. Either the problem is within the connection or device as well. If not, you can restart your network equipment, that is the router or any other device that you have been using for the connection. You can restart your Wi-Fi router and modem. Then try to connect your Surface to your Wi-Fi network. If you connect to your Wi-Fi network but still cannot browse the web on any device, you might need to contact your internet provider or the network equipment manufacturer for further assistance. The another way how you can solve this issue is you can run Windows Network Troubleshoot. For that, you go to the Wi-Fi over here and then right click on it. Then you click on Troubleshoot Problems. Once you do that, the Windows will start detecting any problems that is occurring within. And if there is any issue, it will show you. Click on Wi-Fi and then click on Next. Once the diagnosis is completed, if there's any issue, the network adapter issue will be shown in here, and you will also be given an option to fix the issue. You just need to click that and the issue will be fixed within few minutes. The another way how you can do this is install updates. If your Wi-Fi is working now, or if you have the internet access using a Ethernet connection, download and install the latest update for Windows and your Surface to help improve your Wi-Fi connection. You need to update your Windows. Or at the very end, what you can do is you can shut down your computer and restart it. So these few options might work for the fixing the Wi-Fi not showing up on Windows 10. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.